Alright, guess what? I'm heading to LA. I'm pretty excited. I'm actually just meeting up with Lincoln Block right now, and we're gonna head out to LA. We'll see you guys out there in the streets tomorrow, and then Massacre Monday, I will be there. So, can't wait to see you guys. While we wait for Lincoln Block, let's check out his Hot Wheels collection. Okay, so it's like 4:15. We're officially ready to go. So typically this drive would be about 4 and a bit hours, but it actually took us a hell of a lot longer because the weather was like this the whole entire way. And of course it's New Year's Eve, so nothing's open for dinner. What do I get? Protein style In-N-Out burger. Happy New Year. I am ready to get ready. I've got my brows on and yeah, it's 8 in the morning. Let's get to it. Alright, so here's the situation. I'm in LA. We made it from the Bay. Oh my god, what a drive. Currently waiting for Eddie, but that's okay. We're gonna head over to North Hollywood and we're gonna check out the Majestics Picnic, check out some cars, and then find some bomb-ass food, head down to Van Nuys. Can't wait to see everybody in the streets out there. And then tomorrow's the Massacre, so I'll be seeing you guys around. I'm super excited to see everybody, and don't forget to come say hi. Starting out the day in North Hollywood for the Majestics Car Club New Year's Day Unity Picnic. You can't tell here, but it is cracking to the point that you can't even walk through the cars. We out here. Come say hi. So this caught me by surprise. I had no idea that the Lowrider magazine rig would be here. Check out High Class lineup. They showed up and showed out this weekend. There is something for everyone here today. Look at this old school build. I've never seen a 64 so radical. As much as I'm not a Ford girl, this 5-liter had me. Check out how wet that paint is. I swear this weather is playing with us. Like, look at those clouds rolling in as hot as Ruthless Riders. And then there was the Humilde family. I have absolutely no words for this collection. I will say this 58 is probably one of my favorites I've ever seen. He's got something for everyone in this fleet. These are all from the same collection. Check out this 62 with the California upholstery interior. And those are raindrops, so I'm gonna go save my hair in the car. So about that good weather, I'm kind of hiding in the truck now because check that out. I feel bad for everybody that's got to clean off the water spots. The Try 5 game today is next level. I can't believe how many clean ass 55 6.7s there are. As much as I'm not into full patterns, I love seeing it because it's such a staple of lowriding. This 58 from Click had me hypnotized. Look at her, such a pretty little thing. Almost as pretty as the sun coming back around to stay for the rest of the day. There's truly something about the way that the paint hits in the sunshine. Like, look at the colors just popping. Now, if anybody knows me, I'm a sucker for a clean 61. Here we go again with another set of beautiful Try 5s. And tucked away in this little corner is Game Killer 61, a personal fave by Click. Lastly, this little 62 caught my eye, and I'm so happy I came to see what's up because she sits perfectly on those forged wheels. That's a wrap. We're done out here at North Hollywood. It was actually fucking cracking compared to the weather. Like, the weather was kind of chancy, but it was good. And yeah, I'll see you guys down on the boulevard.